Hey guys, welcome to my game room. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of my workshop and game room. And first, I want to show you the first game that we play. Is well, it works, but we can't really get to it. It's shoved underneath this cabinet. It's a Nintendo Red Tent. It's got Mario Brothers and Excite Bike. And yeah, there it is. There's my Camaro SS stool. I think that's from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, it's about 18 inches tall. I think I don't really remember. I think it's 18 inches tall. Here, I'll measure it so you guys can see. No, I was wrong. It's 17 inches tall. It's cool. I got a little bucket of rags, and it comes in pretty handy. There's my stereo, so I can listen to music. The second game that we play is this Korean slot machine. I bought it from a guy in Texas. And, well, it works, and it's fun, but it's covered up in a tarp. There's a back door covering it up right now, actually. But, I don't know where the arcade machine is that goes to it. Maybe I'll find it later. Oh, we have some cool decorations in here. I like to decorate with Pac-Man PCBs, so I have a few of those. Also have this really great light. I kind of pieced that together, and there's another one behind it. It's pretty cool. There's my pipe wrenches and my speakers to my stereo on a shelf that was here when I bought the house. It's pretty cool. I keep a case of water around in case, we get thirsty. This is our other game. We play. Me and my buddies. We sit around and see what you do is we shoot at these guys. You see, we already killed most of them. Yeah, they're dead. But we shoot them with this old Nintendo gun from Back to the Future. But it's not really plugged into anything, so we just it's a good time. We would play the Super Cobra, but it doesn't have a monitor, so it's just a table for our gun game that we play here. I also have some leg bolts to a pinball machine, but I don't know where the pinball machine is. Maybe we'll find that behind something or in a cabinet. I hope you guys really enjoyed my video of my game room and workshop. My kids also have bikes and toys and stuff in here, and it's there. We play some frisbee golf down the street, and that's fun. And enjoy!